What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So today's video, I'm gonna be sharing another skincare product, and this product is from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's the Blur Repair Cream. So this one you can use it twice a day, AM and PM. And this one it has glycerin, squalene, and ceramide. So if you have a dry, dehydrated, and fine lines, there you go. So there's nothing on my face. This is what texture look like. It's creamy, and this one doesn't have fragrance. No. And also when I use this in the daytime, I use it with my vitamin C serum, and together it's good together. And I use my sunscreen in the daytime. See? It hydrates and moisturizes my skin, and also plump my skin, and also gentle on skin. It doesn't irritate my skin, and also my face is smooth. It's that it's for all skin types. There, see? My face is smooth and hydrated. And also this one, it has a lot of good reviews. There you go. Okay, so that's the cream, a face cream from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's a Blur Repair Cream. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.